What's up, YouTubers? YouTube world, whatever. Gotta work on this old girl today. Put new lead coil springs in it to raise the front end. Well, my dummy self put spacers in there too, 1-inch spacers. Well, I think it's putting too much stress on my ball joints and my wheels wanting to act a little funny. So we're gonna tear that down, pull them spacers out, and see how it does then. But yeah, let's get to it. All right, I don't know if y'all can see that ball joint, but that thing ain't supposed to be like that. I'm pretty sure that spacer is putting too much stress on that ball joint. So, don't mind all that and that. Which that might have to do something with it, but that was there when I got the truck. All right, we're gonna take this brake caliper off. Just to forewarn y'all, if y'all do this, I would not put the spacers in this thing. If you do the coil springs, that thing rides stiff. Now I did the coil springs in my other Dodge. I didn't do the spacers, and it rides pretty good. Come on, oh, look at there. Yeah. I don't know where it went. Oh well. Up there it goes. Get out of here. Get. Dang, dang, granddaddy long legs. They everywhere. Oh. A little groove back there. Where you gonna go? Get up there. Stay. Okay. Alright, what now? Take them off. Take this off. Then that, and it should drop. Well, I gotta take my shock out too. All right. Pull this little fella out of here. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Get out of there. There it goes. All right, sit that there. Let's see. I know I got a socket. I might not get a socket for this. I got something for it. I think I was going the wrong way. Yep. Where's my hammer? Oh, easy now. Easy. Set you back right here for right now. There she goes. I don't know about y'all, but we like to name our vehicles around here. Like this old girl here, my daughter actually named it. So we call it Old Granny. Old Granny don't take no shit from nobody either. Well, if y'all named y'all vehicle though, comment down below and put a picture of what you call your vehicle. I like to know. I'm gonna find the right dang on socket for this one because I can't see. Maybe. What's that? There it is. That's the one. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get up under there. Nope. It's okay. Ah, daggone, I knew it was gonna turn. How did I know that? Can I take that? Pick up. Get off there. Yeah, this is a truck that did a lot of work to. Then I sold it. My poor daughter, She cried. She didn't know why the man wasn't bringing the truck back. I gotta say, though, I kind of teared up too, watching this truck go. But I seen the dude put it up on Marketplace up for sale again. I guess he couldn't sell it. It's been up there for a while. I messaged the dude back. I messaged him about it. Hell, he told me to just give him what he gave for it, and I have it back. Oh shoot, can't beat that. I wouldn't have given him no more than what I sold it to him for though. But yeah, I think this is my daughter's favorite truck here, so I probably won't be getting rid of this one. Getting out of there. Come on now. Alright, I'll pop this out of here. I hate using these forks, it's tearing the boot up. There she goes. Alright, I'm going to hang this up somewhere. Alright, I got the jack up under it. Pull this nut out. I know y'all probably scared to death, but believe me, it ain't gonna go nowhere. It's okay. Done did this quite a few times. I'm a professional. There you go. Sit that up there. Don't forget to put that back through there. Dadgum, don't grab these long legs. Alright. Let's ease this thing down. Come on. Ooh. This thing is nasty. Yep. Right there's the spacer. See if I can get this thing popped off. Ooh. Now, this thing should ride a lot better without that big spacer in there. Hopefully, anyways. If y'all get a first gen 2-wheel drive, this is what I'd do, Dave. Especially if it's got a Cummins. Because the weight of that motor on the stock coil springs will compress these. And they'll be sitting low in the front. You put a set of these in there, which I got these off Amazon. I'll see if I can throw it in here. And in case y'all want to need it or whatever. But these will raise it up at least 2 inches. Let me see. All right, got her in. Got the nut on the top ball joint. I'm gonna put everything back together. Go do the passenger side. And then we're gonna take it down the road, see how she'll do. All right, got her in. Got the nut on the top ball joint. I'm gonna put everything back together. Go do the passenger side. And then we're gonna take it down the road, see how she'll do. All right, I got it all back together. It does seem like it sits a little, I don't know, a little low on the front. But that's okay, I ain't worried about that. As long as this thing turns good, and quit acting like my ball joints are wore out, which everything up under the front's brand new. But yeah, hopefully that did it. Well, I think I might have to go get this thing realigned. She's wanting to pull. It's not so stiff no more, but there's still something wrong with the front end. though. She ain't nothing but old toe pig, so. Alright, y'all. The whole front end on that truck's messed up. But that's okay. I want to find a four-wheel drive, do a four-wheel drive swap on it. But that's gonna be later on down the road. But y'all stay tuned because I got some parts coming for the Nova. We're gonna be swapping the front end out to a 68 72. I looked on YouTube. I did not see no videos of people actually changing it out, but I'm gonna do a video on that, changing the whole thing out and all that. But yeah, y'all come on back and like and subscribe, leave a comment what y'all think.